During our stay at Marriott's Oceana Palms, we headed over to Two Drunken Goats for dinner. How was it? Let's find out. Coming right up. Okay, so where are we at?
Two Drunken Goats.
She had to look for a sign.
Look for a sign.
Look for a sign. So we're at Two Drunken Goats. So in the pandemic era, they now have printed one-time use menus. I'm not sure what we're going to get tonight. Do you know what you're going to get?
I have no idea.
Missy has no idea. We'll have to figure that out and we'll see what we get. They have pulled pork and French dip. Seafood, that's right up your alley. Okay, so we placed our order. What'd you order?
Something I probably won't like.
Missy ordered the honey mustard grouper.
No.
The honey mustard grouper.
No.
Fish and onion rings is what you ordered.
I actually did.
And I actually ordered the same thing. It was fish and chips, but we said, hey, we want onion rings instead, so we're going to give that a try. But we're here at Ocean Walk, right? That's what it's called? That's what this place is called. I'm going to go take a look around. Okay, so we're at Ocean Walk, and this is actually Riviera Beach, the beach park here that's right in front of this. So behind me here is Ocean Walk. You have Two Drunken Goats over there. You have Mulligan's over here. Johnny Longboats is way down there. Great thing about this place is it's actually walkable. No, we didn't walk, but it is actually walkable from Oceana Palms and Marriott's Ocean Pointe. So that is probably the cool thing about this location. It's actually a lot busier than I expected. There's a lot more people here for this day of the week than I thought there would be. Two Drunken Goats is quite busy. Mulligan's is quite busy. Can't see down to Johnny Longboats, but definitely much busier than I expected. But they do have the beach open here at Riviera Beach, and I think that's actually because, as far as I know, Palm Beach County beaches do not open until June 1st, but this is actually a Riviera Beach City Municipal Beach Park, so it's not mandated, not controlled by the county, so I believe that is why it is open. But they have literally signs everywhere about where to go, where not to go, how far apart you must be, all that stuff. So let's take a quick look at that. I'm going to walk through here, walk back out, and then we had already ordered our food, so we'll be heading back over there to eat. Shower use. I guess make sure you're 6 feet apart in the shower. That's interesting. And then this is the entrance here where you're supposed to go in, and you're supposed to go out on the other side, but as you can see, there's a couple people up here not paying any attention. They have all of these signs through here. 6 feet apart, please. 6 feet apart. Got a huge, I guess this is playing frisbee over here. But, yeah, pretty big area here. We've actually never been down to Riviera Beach Park. We've always just gone to the beach outside the resort. I'm not sure what this waiting area signs mean. It's kind of strange. More people coming the wrong direction out. There we go. Beach entrance only. Tips for social distancing. It's definitely some strange times that we're living in these days. I'm not actually going to go out to the beach. I'm just going to go and walk across here and walk back out the other side. So this is the path that leads up to the beach. I just have tennis shoes on tonight, so I don't want to walk up there and get sand in my shoes. But more signs. 6 feet, please. And this is the entrance. I come up through there. I'm gonna go over here to go out. All right, so checking out the beach here in Riviera Beach. That's pretty interesting. Just a ton of signage about social distancing. So actually, as I mentioned earlier, over at Ocean Walk there, it's pretty busy. Quite a few people out and around here as well. So definitely people are getting out to the outdoors and checking things out. So you'll notice here that they do have the parking along the main beach strip out in front of these restaurants in front of Ocean Walk. They do have this parking closed. There are some Riviera Beach police cars over there, just kind of patrolling, I guess. But this is closed, so that makes the only parking available here over in the back. So yeah, that's kind of a bit of a nuisance, but I guess they have this closed off for one reason or another. All right, so I'm gonna head back over here to Two Drunken Goats and we'll wait on our food and we'll give that a try. I'll let you know what it's like. I'm trying to do some kind of just quick restaurant reviews in some of these videos. So just to kind of give you an idea of what restaurants you may find around certain timeshare resorts. So before we jump into that, just want to let you know, if you're new here, or even if you're not and you're not subscribed, if you do like timeshare tips, villa tours, resort reviews, industry news, please be sure to hit subscribe down below. Hit that notification bell also, so you can be notified whenever I post new videos. And yeah, I'm Jeremy. This is Destination Timeshare. So let's go eat. All right, so there's our fish and chips. Does it look good? Although I don't know if I'd call it fish and chips. Does that look like chips to you? Hey, there's Missy's fish and chips. Fish and rings, I guess, right? Fish and ring. Okay, gotta use the hand sanny, right? And then we're gonna try this out. We got the tartar sauce. We got the fish. It's pretty good. Fish is actually really good. Now, Missy doesn't usually like fish and chips, but here, so this place actually has a huge menu. They're pretty good onion rings. They have beer batter on them, almost just like the fish. Yeah. All right. So what did you think of Two Drunken Goats, the fish and onion rings?
Good.
It was pretty good.
Yep.
I was actually quite impressed. Yeah, it's actually a lot of food. I wish I'd just gotten the fish and chips. Actually got French fries. But anyway, we're done here. Now we're gonna head over to Wings, right? We'll make a separate video on that. Missy can't even see for a mask. Anyway, if you liked this video, please be sure to give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to hit subscribe, hit that notification bell. And until next time, the best destination is always a timeshare.